Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start immediately on a safe roof. Put on a fall-rated harness and non-slip shoes, tie off the ladder. Once up there, walk the seams and look for gaps, missing fasteners, or raised panels. Those are your usual suspects. Mark every suspect spot with chalk, then clean each area with a wire brush and solvent until metal is bright. You do this because sealant and patch materials only bond to clean metal. If you skip cleaning, the repair fails fast. You now fix the middle work, fasteners and seams. Remove any rusted or stripped screws and install neoprene washer screws to compress panels. Use the original pattern spacing. Once panels are secured, apply a continuous bead of paintable polyurethane sealant along the seam. Press it into gaps with a putty knife so it contacts both sides. Around each screw, force a small dab of sealant and smooth it. This prevents capillary leaks. Make sure overlaps have You finish by addressing bigger damage and verifying the fix. For holes or split ribs, cut a metal patch 2 inches larger than the hole, lay butyl tape under it, fasten with neoprene screws around the perimeter, and seal edges with seam sealer. Once cured, run a garden hose water test from the eaves upward, watching inside for drips. If you still see a leak, press on the patch edge. If sealing fails, remove, clean, and reapply sealant. Otherwise, touch up paint to prevent corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.